Ihinda riri bururi urahurana na murimu wa COVID-19 gwithamba moko mahinda kwa mahinda ari njira imwe irekerirwo muno ya kuiga utheru icungireire muigana wa maai maria marahuthika bururi-ini o muthenya wongerereke. Na nikio thirikari yambiriirie kwarira mibango ya gutigirira matura maria marigiceirie tauni ya Nairobi ni magia na maai ma kuigana, na muno matura maria makoragwo na wingi wa andu, mubango urio kwambiriria na kuongerera marima ma maai niguo aikari mambiririe kwamukira maai mathaa 24 o muthenya.
We are going to do that by sinking 51 boreholes and equipping them with the equivalent number of water tanks, like the one you can see behind me here. That is the phase one. We want to do 93 boreholes within the city, in the informal settlements, with the equivalent number of high-rise tanks, like the one you can see here, of 24 meter cubed capacity.
Ni mubango uratanywo gutabanio ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 yukite matura ma Mukuru, Mathare, Dandora, Kawangware, Kayole, Kibera na Mukuru magitanywo kuheo muraini wa mbere.
Projection as a ministry is to give adequate water to the informal settlements particularly. The project we have, which is the phase one of it, is to inject some 8,000 cubic meters of water per day to the informal settlements.
Ruhonge ruru rwa maai ni rucerete matura matiganite ma Nairobi ya irathiro maria mari na tabarira cia gutambiria aikari maai niguo guthurima uria aikari a matura maya maramukira maai. Kinya riri riukite o riri uheani wa motungata ma maai na utheru kuri aikari a kaunti ya Nairobi ari gatagati ka motungata maria marathamirio kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti nginyagia thirikari nene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.